All right, girl, I had to do this quick YouTube video to show you what I created just for you. Okay, just for my soft life girlies, for my quiet girlies that want to build a quiet digital income online. I created this custom GPT called the Digital Income Topic Finder. What I want to do, I want to help remove the confusion and choose a winning topic that you can do this fast. Okay. So you know what niche you're going to be in, you know what your business model will be. This bot is going to give you a clear niche, like who you're going to serve, and a simple plan for you to validate it quickly. Okay. So I'm going to test it out with you really, really quick. So when you get access, you can access right down below at mysoft.lifebiz.com. It's the first link that you can get access. So go ahead and get access. Okay. So first thing you want to do is you're going to click right here where it says I'm ready to get started. There are going to be 5 questions that you must answer in order to proceed. Okay. So you got to put the input in. So the first thing is which is number one, we want to know your skills. So you can put your skills or your experience that you already have. Okay, so it's whatever you want to reveal to this bot. So I'm just going to make believe. Let me move my mic. So we're going to play make believe here. And I'm going to pretend to be somebody else. Okay. So number one, I'm going to put the skills that I have. Let's see. The skills I have is let's say I am great at is coaching women. Let's see, being a stay at home mom, um, organizing our home, and overall making sure our home is kept tidy. So those of you that are stay-at-home moms like myself or stay-at-home wives and you feel like you can't serve people online, I want you to think again, okay? Because put your experience that you have, work experience, life experience, things people ask you for help with. There are things that people ask you for help with they don't know how to do. You just probably just don't pay attention to it. Normally we don't pay attention to that. Things you already learned or practice. Okay. I'm gonna put here also I learned how to publish ebooks. I'm gonna say that. Okay. Okay, so number two, what topics or interests are you naturally drawn to? So it could be education, personal growth, money, health, business, lifestyle, teaching others. I'm going to say number two, I am drawn to teaching others. Okay. I love to talk about money and organization. Let's say that. Okay. Number three. Put number three. And you can do this right here in the chat, or you can just get you a nice Google Doc and you can upload it here too. You can do that too. What time, tools, or budget constraints do you have? So, like hours per week that you are available on phone versus laptop, budget, comfort with video, writing, audio. So, I'm going to say number three. I have about 2 hours a day, not way, day to spare. Um, I am mostly on my phone, but I do have a laptop. So just have a conversation with it. Budget. So I'm gonna say I have about a $500 a month budget for hobbies and or business. Comfort with video, writing, or audio. Let's say I am very good at writing, and I also love podcasts. So I love um I love audio. I want to say that. Let me just say that. I also love audio or love creating audio. Okay. Let's see. How do you prefer to earn? So these are the options. So you have affiliate income, coaching or services, YouTube ad revenue, medium.com, which is a writing platform for monetization, digital products, Substack newsletter. So if you want to create a Substack newsletter that gives you monthly reoccurring income, of course, that doesn't come from the platform. That actually comes from people. So you got to get people to subscribe to your newsletter. Also, I put in here short books on Amazon as well. You can choose more than one, but we'll prioritize one. So prioritize one that you feel like you will want to monetize at least first, right? So I would say, I would prefer I no more than two. Okay, don't do no more than two. Yeah. I would prefer to earn. Let's see, via digital products and let's say YouTube. What outcome do you want most right now? Hmm. Build an audience, create authority, side income, long term income, email, personal brand, teaching and impacting. For me, let's say I would want more long term income. Okay. All right. So once you answer the 5 questions, the bot will eliminate weak ideas, rank 3 to 5 topics for you. Select one clear at the top. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to choose that, but they'll say based on what you've given them, what they would clear. Choose. Build your long form SEO content lane because that's what I teach here on my channel. All about if you're going to build a soft life business or a quiet business, whichever word that you want to use, we think long term. There's always long term. We use SEO content platforms such as YouTube, blogging, Substack, Medium, places or podcasts, places where you can get discovered. Okay, that's what's going to, and it takes commitment. So that means it's not like social media where it's very very fast paced, like your Facebooks, your TikToks, your Instagrams, but this is more like, and not saying that you can't use it. I don't tell people what to do. However, you do want to get into that place where you want to have long term growth. Okay. The bot is also going to give you a 72-hour validation plan. Okay. No hype, no trends, no overwhelm. One path forward. Okay. Reply with your answers when ready. Okay. Type refine to narrow this further or lock it in to move forward. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just go and we're going to see what it comes up with. Perfect. You gave clear signals. This is a real sustainable lane, not hype. Below is your clarity first recommendation based only on what you shared. Okay. Top clarity map ranked. So top pick is home systems for stay-at-home moms who want long-term income. So money plus organization plus teaching equals strong alignment. Why this wins is because you already live this for your life. You coach women, you understand home order and money flow. Your audience is emotional, loyal, underserved. Long form education performs extremely well here. Okay. Another option too is the minimalist home management for busy moms. This is good, but less income focused. Then you have publishing simple digital products from your phone. Profitable, but more competitive and less emotional. So this is a top pick right here. I've never heard of a home systems for stay-at-home moms who want long-term income. That's interesting. Okay. So here's my one clear topic. Lock this in. Okay. This is what I tell people. People ask me, okay, what is it that you do? I love teaching stay-at-home moms how to build organized homes and long-term income using simple systems and digital products. Clear. Okay. This is it's not cleaning content for what it says, aesthetic only organization or hustle culture. This is for home systems, mental clarity, money systems, income stability, and teaching from lived experience. Okay. That's right. That right there, teaching from lived experience, that right there, I will need to hone in on that verbiage right there because that's going to be my content. I'm teaching from lived experience, not based on hype, not based on what people think. This is what my experience is. That's my content. Okay. So it breaks down my audience snapshot, who they are. Stay at home moms, often overwhelmed, smart, capable, underpaid emotionally, want income without chaos. Okay. Their main problem: home feels disorganized, money feels uncertain, no clear path to earn long term income. Emotional drivers: security. They want security, control, peace, contribution. They want to contribute. Identity beyond just being a mom. She don't want to just be a mom. Okay. She wants to be beyond that. Okay. Why this works long term: moms are always entering this phase, as always. Organization and money is evergreen. Absolutely, I agree with this. Systems content ages well. Yes. Digital products scale without trade. So this is probably primarily where I will be able to make my income, okay, with digital products. So let's talk about SEO long form content lane, only long form. So it looks like here my core platform would need to be YouTube. Long form only, like 30 to 60-minute deep dives, teaching, storytelling, systems. Okay. Also, they put in here Pinterest so I can drive traffic to my blog posts and my videos. Okay. So that goes into written content. I can either have a blog on my website or leverage medium.com, and I can just repurpose my video content to make the blog content. You see what I mean? And then we can use Pinterest to drive traffic to both. Okay, so Pinterest is the traffic driver. Okay, where you put your pin up and you put your links are going to go to your either your YouTube videos or your written content. Okay, audio is an option here, podcast style uploads, same content, different format if you want to add that in. Okay. Let's see, digital products. So where I'm gonna make the money at is probably YouTube AdSense. Okay. If I decide to use medium.com, they do have a platform monetization program. Okay, just like YouTube has a platform monetization program. Okay, where you have to, I know with Medium you get paid based on views on your articles and people that clap, leave comments. That's how you get paid. With YouTube is what AdSense, right? So you have to meet certain qualifications to get paid from YouTube. So that's what I mean when I say platform monetization. Many people go for that first, but until you work to that, you want to have something else that you can make money from, and this was going to be our digital products. So that's me selling home system guides, money plus organization planners, short ebooks. Amazon later, it says that we can do that part later. Okay, Amazon is also a SEO a platform as well. It's a search engine. Okay, Amazon is a search engine. So no focusing on those short form, no trends, no daily posting pressure. Okay. So this is our learn, do, teach. This is the activation. This is the 72 hours, what I need to be doing. Right. So the first day, day one, let's say today I'm going to focus on the 20% that matters. Um, One home system, so that's either laundry, meals, or routine. One money system, budget, sinking funds, income planning. One digital product format, simple PDF or ebook. Okay. That's just matter of decision. What home system am I going to focus on? What money system am I going to focus on? What digital product format am I going to focus on? Okay. Day two, we're going to do the validation. So 24 to 48 hours, outline one guide. Okay. Here's an example. The home plus money system that keeps me sane as a stay-at-home mom. This is great. You can use minimum AI with this because again, our content is going to be based on lived experience. Write 5 to 7 pages, record 30 to 45-minute YouTube style teaching session, no editing perfection. Don't try to be perfect. Teach day three, turn it into content. Okay. So the problem you had, okay, the system you built, what changed, what you improve next. Okay. So this is kind of like a format you can go with your content. Okay. Like with your video. So in my YouTube video, I can talk about the problem I had, the system I built. So I built this system here. What changed, what you'll improve next. Like this becomes your long form video. Okay. It can be your first digital product seed, your authority moment. Okay. Now, competitor gaps. What others do well is aesthetic organization, budget spreadsheets, motivation. The gap. So this is kind of like where you're gonna hang out at. The gap. Not you, but if this was me, okay. Few content connect home systems plus income. Few teach from real stay-at-home mom life, and few explain why systems create money. Okay, so it's like that's where you're kind of like hanging out. You're right. You're filling in the gap. So your positioning is that I teach stay-at-home moms how to build peaceful homes that also support long-term income. Okay, I like that. That's super super cool. I like that. Okay. All right, 72-hour validation plan. Okay, so this is the validation plan. This is what you need to do 72 hours. Here's the monetization plan that aligns with me. Okay, here, digital products first, YouTube as a authority engine, um, audio plus writing for leverage, long term. That's it. Okay. If later you want, if you need tools, bots, mentorship, then I have resources at mysoftlife.biz.com. Okay. But this is your foundation. If you was to come in here and you did it, set the foundation first. Okay. So, final verdict, your topic is aligned, profitable, evergreen, built for long term, perfect for your life stage. You are not late. You are right on time. Okay. You can either type refine to narrow this further or lock it in and move forward. So, let's lock it in. So, let's say we're going to lock this in. And I think basically it's going to give me a much of a summary. So what you can do with this, you can maybe put this in a Google Doc. Okay. Put this as this is like what my mentor says, like your operation. This is what you are doing. Okay. So then you can figure out what you're going to do on a daily basis. Like, long form content, YouTube is your first place. Do these things step by step. When are you going to upload your YouTube videos? When are you going to, write your articles, setting those platforms up. So it gives you directly there. So this is great. I absolutely love this. I'm so glad to be able to create this for you. Again, this is great for you. You want to build a quiet income from home, build a soft life business, but you have so many ideas, especially if you have so many ideas, you have so many skills, so much experience. Put that in here so that this bot can help you to narrow it down so you can be. Some of you are probably going to find that you're going to be in a niche all by yourself, and that's amazing. Like what this created, based on what I put in, I would have a go with this. All right, this is not my audience, but I would definitely have a go at this because of course, I put some of who I am in here, but that's a lane all by itself. Okay. So I hope that this video served you. Again, down below in the description, I'm going to get you the link to get access to this digital income topic finder. Okay. Hope this serves you well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.